So in this video I will try to demonstrate some difficulty I'm having while I'm trying to determine the handrail height in a stair according to the Brazilian accessibility standard. So Revit has a rule to determine the handrail height that is based on the tip of the riser according to the handrail height parameter. So if I pick this handrail and edit its type, you will see that I have defined a height of 92 centimeters. That is what the Brazilian accessibility standard rule requires the handrail to be offset from the stair. But Revit measures that distance from the tip of the riser, which is this distance, whereas the Brazilian standard rule requires that this distance to be measured by the middle of the thread, which is this distance. So we have a different measuring. One simple way to change this could be adjusting the handrail height based on this simple difference that would be half the height of the riser as suggested by another expert. So if I pick the handrail edit its type and put in height the 92 centimeters minus half the height, right, which would be approximately 8367, I would get the measuring I want. So this is the measure the height parameter determines, and this is the measure the Brazilian standard determines. Okay, that would be not a problem if when having different heiser heights for different stairs. So in this second example, I have a stairs with slightly higher riser. So the same height parameter would result in different height from the middle of the thread. Slightly different. Okay, so this first solution is not really adequate to this purpose. So let's get back to the original 92 centimeters value. To this time, the only workaround I could find is to change or to adjust the sketch height for every segment of the handrail for the railing itself. So I would have to pick each line and insert a correctional value. So for the second staircase it would be 0909. But I would have to insert this height correction for every segment of the railing. So this line, as you can see, it's a lot of work. And worst of all, it just adjusts one case. It adjusts this instance, but not this instance. Right, so I would have to do this for every railing in every stair. And I say stair because this is a particular problem for stairs, because if I would have a railing hosted on this floor right here, it would be easier because I could pick the instance and change the base offset of the object. But this is not possible when the railing is hosted on the stair. The base offset parameter is grayed out, so I haven't got this option. So if I want to change this one, I would have also to change its segment height correction segment by segment. And to make everything worse, I cannot select all the segments and change the height correction for all the segments because the option is not available in the options bar. So this is the issue I'm having while trying to determine the handrail height according to the Brazilian accessibility standard. Hope you can help me. Thank you.